Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to book flight tickets online using the Ethiopian Airlines website. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Ethiopian Airlines official website. On the homepage, click on the Book Now button. Next, enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Then, click on the Search button to see available flights. Browse through the list of available flights and select the one that best suits your schedule and budget. Click on the flight to view more details. If you book a round trip, you can also choose your return flight. Next, fill out your basic information and click on the Continue button. Now, fill out your contact details and click on the Continue button. You can add extra services such as seat selection, extra baggage, or travel insurance. Choose the services you need and proceed. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the necessary payment details. Ethiopian Airlines accepts various payment options, including credit/debit cards and online banking. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a booking confirmation via email. This email will include your e-ticket and all the necessary travel information. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.